We missed the opportunity to call the Mama Mentality shoe the Kyrie, but we're not doing it on this one. This is the Kyrie now. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Kyrie Low Amarillo. Now, this shoe, like the PG 2.5 Amarillo, is basically just a yellow colorway. That's basically it. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard Kyrie Low box, so it's the geometric pattern with the Kyrie Irving logo on the top. And the colorway is Amarillo and black. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a mostly yellow upper with black detailing. Taking a look at the toe, you have the yellow mesh toe with the synthetic panel also in yellow. Taking a look at the tongue, you've got the yellow mesh tongue with the black Kyrie Irving logo. And you have the midfoot strap with the groove detailing in black. The insole is yellow with the black Nike swoosh on it. The medial features the yellow mesh upper as a base, as well as the black Nike swoosh and more of the midfoot strap. The shoe features a yellow heel with the bump detailing from the Kyrie 1. The medial features the yellow mesh detailing along with the end of the midfoot strap with the white Nike swoosh. The shoe features a black midsole, and the shoe has a white outsole with the yellow and black graphic on the forefoot and the heel where the zoom areas. This shoe is not only my favorite colorway of the Kyrie Low to release, but it's probably one of my favorite shoes that have released thus far. This shoe definitely has Bruce Lee Kobe vibes, and it's a sleek colorway on a sleek shoe that combines to make a great look on court as well as off court in a more casual appearance. So I'm definitely going to be busting this out for the rest of the summer. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
Ryan Little.
The Kyrie Low Amarillo hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on August 15th for a retail price of $110. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.